3 easy steps to convert your PGC or any cryptocurrency or any token you might have into your bank account. So follow me as I show you the step-by-step guide. So the first thing you need to do is to convert the token you want to convert to your account to USDT. And for you to do that on Bitget, you need to come here, come to trade. So from trade, you're going to search for the coin you want to convert to your bank account. So, but for this class, we'll be using PGC. So you can leave any coin. So you're going to come here, then you search for the coin you want to do. But now we are searching for PGC. As you can see, this is it here, PGC. So it can be any coin, it can be whatsoever. So then after that, you see here we have buy, then we have sell. But now we are selling and it's to USDT. So you're going to click on sell. Then here you can see here below the sell, you see market, and you might see limit. So we are going to select that place. Then you can see different options, but our goal is to select market. So market means you are selling at the market price. That's the immediate price of that coin. So when you select market, then here down below, you can see you can adjust the coin either to 100% or 20% of sell on. That's so then when you're done, you click on what? Sell PGC. Then when you click on sell, then you verify, you click on confirm. It will be successfully converted into USDT. That's the first step. So the second step is to move or transfer your USDT into funding account. And for you to do that, you come here, you come to assets. So this is assets. Under overview. So under overview, you see sporting, then we have funding. So if you want to transfer to your bank account, you must move the fund from sports to what? To funding. That's what we're going to do now. And for us to do that, we're going to click on transfer. So when you click on transfer, you are moving from sports to what? To funding. So let's select funding. So we're going to funding account. You can see funding account, you get that. Then coin, which coin? USDT. So USDT. Then here, how much of the coin do you want to move? Okay, I'm going to select all. That's 100%. So I click on confirm. We said fund transfer. The fund will be transferred from sports to what? Funding account. So the last step is to transfer the USDT to our bank account. So for you to do that, you're going to come to the home page. So from the click on add fund. So when you click on add funds, here you see different options, but your interest will be P2P trading. So you click on P2P trading. So when you get to your P2P trading, there are different options here. We have buy and we have sell. Since you are selling to your bank account, you click on what? Sell. So you get that. So then when you come there, you focus on this part here. So what the coin you are working on is USDT. Then limit. Limit means what's the limit of your order. So you're going to click on that limit. So you can click. Then let me say the limit is around 1,000. So depending on your local currency, just look at the range of the coin you want to sell, so that I can sort out the buyer that want to buy the exact amount from you. So let me put 1,000 naira. Then method, that's the payment method, bank transfer. The merchant. So that's just the major one. Then another thing I want you to pay attention to, you can see here it said online. So you deal with buyers that are online, that are readily online. So all the people here are online. So I'm going to click on sell. So I want to sell to them. So from here, you see crypto, then you have fiat currency. So I'm going to click on save currency so that will help me to be able to enter the amount I want to sell. Then if you want to enter your bank account, you can see here, you can enter your bank account here. You just click, you can add your bank account. You get that. So then just read the instructions here. Then from here, you enter the amount you want to withdraw. So then you can see the equivalent in USDT. So when you are done, read the instructions there, then you click on sell with no fee. So from what you said now, order generated pending payment. So I'm waiting for the buyer to make payment. Then after the payment, I will make confirmation. So after the buyer have paid and he has confirmed that he has paid, then here will be activated for me to verify. So and if you want to contact the buyer, then come here and do what? You contact the buyer. So you can send the message, to the person buy from you. So what we need to do now is to wait for the buyer. Then another thing, you can see the timer. The estimated timer here is 1 hour. So before that, just few minutes, the person will actually make payment. So you confirm the person have actually confirmed that he has paid. So I will check my bank account, confirm the payment. If he has paid, then I will release the payment to him and enter my fund password. So that's just the basic step on how to withdraw your coin to your bank account. So do well to subscribe to our channel, like our video. More importantly, check the link in the description and comment section of this video to join our Telegram channel so that you